Welcome to the fastest, easiest, cheapest. Who wrote this? Hang on. Here it is. Plumbers hemp is a belligerent cuss of a material. What? I know it's true, but okay, fine. Once you get the hang of it, you can do some really amazing things, like make killer vines. I mean, make killer looking vines. Anyway, as far as I can tell, this stuff is only available in the UK, so I ordered it on Amazon and waited patiently for it to arrive. One bag will last you your entire life, and I ordered two like a dummy. If you don't like its natural color, you can take a little bit of watered down ink or paint and change your blonde into a brunette or a redhead or whatever color you want. If you do color it though, it's a good idea to brush out the fibers because they are glued together from the colorant, and that's not going to make a very good vine. For the leaves, I like to use something called super turf. It's super, and if you don't like the superness of super turf, there's always super leaf, and both products are super good. If you happen to have a leaf punch from Green Stuff World and you like to use it, you should absolutely check out Kelsey Graham's tutorial over at Primetime Painting, and you could absolutely use them here if you wanted. To start, I like to take a bit of hemp and dip it in my special blend of watered down PVA. It's about 50-50 mix of water and glue, and 1 or 2 drops of Flow Aid. I'll stick it in the clamps overnight to dry, and that gives me a trunk of sorts to start working with that can be cut to size. After that, take your glue, start painting it on the vines onto whatever you want, and this is where the magic happens. It takes some practice, but it's really not that bad once you get the hang of it. Just sort of paint the glue on while steering the hemp into random directions. This is best done with the piece laying on its side, otherwise the glue runs all over and it's harder to control what you're doing. If you get a bit done but are having problems controlling it, there's really no shame in letting it dry a bit before continuing. Once you get the stuff where you want it, cut the extra and grab you some leafy things. Sprinkle them on and take your special blend of glue and drip until you get them all. Let it dry before doing another side. Corners can be tough, so you may want to drip first and sprinkle later in this case. When it's dry, you're done. I'd love to see what you come up with, and you can show off your sick skills at the Facebook group and hit that sub button while you're at it, or I shall send more bad jokes your way.